Okay, so let's take a look at how to install packages with Salesforce Developer. So log into your Salesforce Developer dashboard and click on this tiles menu, or you can simply call it App Launcher. Okay, as you can see, when I hover over it, it says App Launcher. So click on that button. That should open up a pop-up box where you have option to do various actions. So let's take a look at where the packages are. So you can use the existing listed apps here, or you can do is visit AppExchange. So click on AppExchange link. Okay, and we will wait for it to open another pop-up where you have a list of applications that you are allowed to install in your developer account. Now when AppExchange loads its apps and components, you have option to choose one of from it and then further explore. So if you are installing app, then click on more so that it only loads the applications and not components. So once loaded, make sure to have your filter on the right hand side for price. Let's go with free. Then make sure your app works in developer edition. Click done. Okay, you can choose the rating, let's say 4 stars and up. Done. Then other filters you can choose depending on your choice. Okay, so I don't have anything specific here. Make sure it supports all languages, so that if you're working remotely, that helps as well. So apply that filter. Okay, now here try to find out app that you need for your Salesforce usage. Okay, so let's see if I can find something like icons or themes, etc. There seems to be some where they support icons, so let's go for that. Okay, to get more idea on your free app, you can apply without rating so that it shows more apps, especially the new one which didn't have any form of rating. Okay, now we will look for the app that has something simple like icons. Okay, here you see graphics pack. Click on that. Okay, now you can read about where it is supported and how much space it consumes, how much object it has, and click on get it now. Okay, so once you click on that, it should proceed to further wizard actions. Then it will ask you to open login screen. This is to verify that you are the admin. Okay, click on allow. Okay, then it will ask you where you wish to install that. It going to in the org where you are logged in right now, so we can do that. Install here. Okay, it will ask you to confirm changes. You don't need that. Now confirm and install. So you can choose for install for admin only or install for all users. So I'm going with admin only. Okay, if it is taking too long to install, it will tell you about it, and simply you can click on done and move on. Okay, so once it is installed, you will get an email confirmation and you will find your package installed in installed packages list.